friends, welcome to my channel Unity Guide, and today in this video I will solve this devil's eye Rubik's cube. So this is our devil's eye Rubik's cube and we can solve this cube very easily. So only one kind of algorithm we will use in this cube. So we also use that algorithm in many Rubik's cube like 4x4 Rubik's cube, 5x5 and many other Rubik's cube. So first I will show algorithm and then I will solve this cube properly. So for example, this is our 5x5 Rubik's cube. So in this cube we will use one algorithm. For example, when we solve our these centers, so these are our middle centers. So whenever we solve our center, so sometimes we can face this kind of situation. I mean, this green we need to place in this position and this orange we need to place in this side. So we use one kind of algorithm. So our algorithm is, we hold it cube like that, we will place these two pieces in this right side and apply. So this is our second layer, this is our R, and from this position this is our second layer, this is our L. We will not use these outer layer, we will use these two inner layer. So our algorithm is R prime, so I am just rotating this layer, U prime, L, U, R, U prime and then L prime. So we can see we replace these two pieces. So only this kind of algorithm we will use in this devil's eye Rubik's cube and we will solve this cube very easily. So now I will scramble this cube and then I will show that how we can solve this cube. So I have scrambled this cube and now I will start to solve this cube. So whenever we need to start this cube, our first step, we will select any one color, but I start many cube from white color, so I will also start this cube from white. So first I will find white inner center. For example, in this side we have yellow color, so yellow opposite white. So we can see in this inner side we have white color. It's mean in this position we will solve white face. So our first step, we will solve these smaller pieces and we will complete our white cross, and we can consider our these smaller pieces by edges and these are our corners. So first we will solve our edges. For example, there is white, I will rotate in this position and bring it up. So save in this position, this is another white, place in this position and bring it up. Again I will save in this side and this is our third white, we will bring it up. So 1 2 3 white we have fixed. Now we will find our last white. So this is our last white, we need to fix this smaller piece in this position. So they are matching properly, we will place this side and rotate like that. So 1 2 3 4 white edges we have solved and we have complete our cross. Now white opposite yellow, so in this time we will complete our yellow cross in this position. So this is done, and now in this side we will solve yellow. So this is our one yellow piece, place in this position, bring it up, take out of the way and also bring it back, because this is our solved area. If we will not our step back, so our this white cross will destroy. So this is same like simple 4x4 5x5 Rubik's cube trick. So this is another yellow, place in this side, bring it up, replace with any extra piece and bring it back. This is done. This is our third yellow. Place in this position, bring it up, save in this position and bring it back, because this is our solved portion. And now we will find our fourth yellow piece. Okay, so this is our last piece. So in this time we cannot place this piece like that, because if we will place this piece, so our white will destroy from this position. So we will use simple 4x4 5x5 Rubik's cube trick. We will place in this position yellow, so bring it up, then take out of the way and then bring it back. So this is done. White is complete, yellow is complete. And now we will place white and yellow left and right side, and we will solve over this middle portion. For example, in this position we will collect all blue, in this position we will collect orange, green, and in this side we will complete pink. So this is our pink center. So this is pink, this is our second pink color, and this is our third. So this is done. This is our fourth pink piece, bring it up. So this is done. Now we can select any other piece, a portion. For example, there is green, so we will solve our green cross in this side. So this is green, bring it down and take out of the way and bring it up, because this is our solved portion. Similar, this is our second green, again we will bring it down, then save in this side and bring it up. This is done. So one green we have in this side, second in this side. First we will place these two green in this nearest portion. So bring it down, save in this side and bring it back. Similar, we will place this green in this nearest portion like that. Now we will place this green in this position, so bring it down, rotate and bring it back. And this is our last green, so we will place this green in this side. We cannot place green directly, so we will bring it down, then we will place this empty slot and bring it up. So this is also done, this is done. And now we will solve this side. So there is orange, so there are 3 orange. We will find our last orange. So this is our last orange, so we will place in this side, bring it down, then we will replace with any extra slot and bring it up. So this step we have completed. White cross, in opposite side yellow cross, and this is our middle area. So blue, orange, green, pink. Okay, so this step we have completed. Now we will place our corners and our cube will be solved. For example, this corner is matching this white, we will place in this side, in this side, and in this side we will place white corner. So now we will use same technique that we can use in this cube like that. For example, these are our corners. So this green corner we need to place in this position. So we will apply R prime, U prime, L, U, R, U prime, L prime. And same technique we will use in this cube. For example, this is our white corner. So first we will place corner in this right side. I mean we will place this corner in this position, and also we can place in this side, and also we can place in this side. So any one side we will select and we will apply same algorithm. So we can use this complete portion. So this is our right, this is our left. So we will use R prime, U prime, L, U, R, U prime, L prime. So we can see we have connect our second white corner. Similar, we have also available white corner in this position, so we will place like that. We can replace these two. So again apply same algorithm, r prime u prime l u r u prime l prime. So this is also done. Now we will find our last white. So we have white in this side, so first we will place this white in any nearest orbit. For example, we will place white in this position, so we will simply place like that, then take out of the way and bring this layer back. So now we will make our ideal setup like that. So now we will replace this white with this blue. So again apply r prime u prime l u r u prime and then l prime. So this is done. Now we will solve its opposite side. I mean, we will solve yellow face. So this is yellow, this is yellow. We can place in any other side. We can place in this position. So first we will place this yellow in this side and we will replace with this. So our algorithm is r prime u prime l u r u prime l prime. This is done. Now we need yellow in this position, so in this side we have yellow available, so we will again apply same algorithm, r prime u prime l u r u prime l prime. This is done. We have available yellow in this position, so first we will make our ideal setup and then apply r prime u prime l u r u prime l prime. This is done, and we need yellow in this position, so this is our last yellow corner. So first we will make our ideal setup and then we will apply r prime u prime l u r u prime l prime. So this is also done. Yellow face we have complete and white face. Now we will solve our this middle portion. Okay, so now we will place these two solved portion in this left and right side, and we will continue same technique and we will complete our cube. For example, this is orange face, so we will place all orange corner. For example, this is orange corner, so we can replace this orange with this pink. So just apply r prime u prime l u r u prime l prime. This is fixed. So in this side we have no any orange corner, also in this side we have no any orange corner. So first we will place these two orange corner in this nearest orbit by using same technique. So r prime u prime l u r u prime l prime, and similar we will place this orange in this side. So again we will apply same algorithm. So this is only one algorithm that we will use in this cube, and now we will place these two orange corner in these sides. So place this orange in this position and apply r prime u prime l u r u prime l prime. This is done. Now we will place orange in this position, so again apply same algorithm and we can complete our cube. This is done. We can select this portion, also we can select this portion. So this is blue. There are two blue corner. Place any blue in this position and apply r prime u prime l u r u prime l prime. In this position we can fix this blue. So again we will apply same algorithm and our blue face we can complete. So this is done. Now we need last blue. So there is last blue. First we will replace blue with any extra color because we need blue in this nearest orbit. So apply same algorithm. So we will not change our algorithm, we will just use only this algorithm. So now we will place this blue in this position. So just R prime, U prime, L, U, R, U prime, L prime. This is done. Now we have left with last two corners. So we will just apply same technique. This pink we will fix in this position, and this green we will fix in this side. We will replace these two. So apply same algorithm and replace these two pieces. In this position we need pink, so this pink we can replace with this green. So again apply same algorithm and replace to each other. This is done. Now we have lost these two pieces. So again apply same technique, R prime, U prime, L, U, R, U prime, L prime, and our cube is done. Very simple, very interesting and very easy Rubik's cube. And we can say this is our evil eye Rubik's cube, and also we can say this is our devil's eye Rubik's cube. So I just request to everyone, please like, share and subscribe my video and support my channel. Thank you.